Hey, good morning. It's Dave here. We're here with the Cajun Car Club here at the airport today. It's going to have a plane pool out here, and I'm going to bring you along, show you all the fun we're going to have. Got a car show set up. All the guys brought the cars out here to put them out on display. Here in a minute, we're going to walk down and see everybody's fine joy. So stay tuned and glad you're with me.
I think it's still recording.
That's all right. All right, here we go. Ain't a Mustang. I think it's 65 or 66. It's one of the two. Guarantee you. It's a good-looking little machine, and it is for sale. Ooh, I know the guy that's got this for sale too. He's got two of these. Look at that. Pretty neat, huh? You want one? This is the one you get right here. Got air conditioning. And knock me down. Same one, same car, same person. Same car, same person. Got both of these cars for sale. This is a 65 2+2. All right. I've seen this car. It's a club member. Can't tell you what it is. I like it though. Look at that V8, man. A Triumph. You know, they made these during the day. They were supposedly notorious sports cars. I guess they still are. Good looking interior in this thing. Automatic. Called a Stag. Okay? Can you name this one? Yes, sir. Hold on. Let me hold my bill for it because it's fixing to suck $1 out of my pocket right here in a second. 67 Impala SS. Convertible. I'm going to say all that in one word. Let's check Mike Burkett's car out. 8-track tape. Man, he's got it all. He's got it going on. Keys in it too. Coming on down, we got a 55 Bel Air. I know who owns this one also. Raymond Bakken here in Baton Rouge has this car. Good looking rolling tuck interior. I say that every time I see the car, but I'm going to say it every time because I like it. Man, look at that. All right, Johnny Santos, 57 Chevrolet. I don't know if this is a 210. I don't think it's a Bel Air, but I could be wrong. I'm going to call it a 210.
Morning.
Good morning. So here we go. Again, I don't know if you can see the plane out there, but I think that's where it's at. Go walk out that way in a minute. You know, we got everything here. Jeeps come out. Just beginning. It's a good cool morning here in Baton Rouge, so stay tuned. Well, we're waiting right now. What you're seeing is the FedEx crew from Denny Hamlin's race crew. And look here, opening up, and there it is, people. That's the real deal right there. This car was using Loudon, I am told, and they're going to crank it up and bring it out. And we're going to get that for you here in just a minute, so just bear with me. Nice looking car. Beautiful trailer. We love this thing. So stay tuned. There's all kinds of things here. They got the Hooter display. This is a super duper motorcycle, that's for sure. Hey girls, how y'all doing?
Hello,
Good
good morning.
morning.
Good.
So a lot of things going on here this morning here at Baton Rouge at the airport for the plane pool. I'm going to walk on back this way a little bit so you can see everything. What? What?
Volkswagen used to sound like that.
Reminds me a lot of my car. Airplane. This is an old World War II fighter, I'd say. That's what I'm going to call it. Look at this. I think that is a 12-cylinder radial engine, it's called. Gotta be loud. Never been actually this close to one. Twin-seater. I'm sure it's just a training plane at one time. I don't see no burp gun locations. Let's look at the motor. It's all about it. That's what we're all about, the motor. Let me count the cylinders for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't count. I thought there were 10. Count again. 10 of them. Oh, not 12. Excuse me. There it is. Do not touch the airplane. I bet it's loud. Look at that exhaust. That's the set of headers, isn't it? Yep, there's the plane that's going to be pulled. There's the rope. All it takes is a little pull, presto. Everybody getting set up. Like going to be a big event out here today. So y'all, next time you're in Baton Rouge next year, come on out. I think it's pretty exciting.
Is that correct, FedEx?
All right. Another baseball team. All three. Here we go.
Let's go.
It is moving. Look at it. They dig it in. They pull hard. All right. They did it. All right.
Congratulations. Members, making sure they have their gloves and their closed-toed shoes, no sandals for this pull. And I see lining up Louisiana 4x4. Getting ready to go. That sounds very sporty, that team. You need a few more people. Okay. All right. Oh, I see.
Under 10 seconds, a great pull there. City Year, which was the best community pull team of the group, they were out there today, Louisiana 4x4. And when we look at some of the, of course, the ARC, Baton Rouge staff and friends, they were there today. When we look at some of the better times during pool number 3, well, the Exxon Mobil folks, they were solid. Exxon Mobil 2 coming in at 9.77. Exxon Mobil 1 beating them by less than a second at 9.699. And the guys with the speedy wheels over here on the side, the Cajun Classic Car Club, 9.116. So they were the top finishers for round number 3. Of course, lots of great crews out here today. And I let the important decisions, just like at home, they get Pats in charge of the bad ones. Look, and Andre Morrow will be forever jealous.
Yeah.
And in all sincerity, I'm the lucky one to be asked to come today. So thank you for spending the morning with me. Thanks to the folks from ARC Baton Rouge for inviting me here today. I hope you had a great time and more music. But we look forward to seeing all of you again next year, don't we, Julie?
Come back next year. Thank you guys so much.
Well, hey, there you go. The end of the day here at the airport with the airplane pull we had out here. Had the Camp Classic cars all lined up. Had a good show. Glad you came along with us. And catch you again next time.